is also possible that they feel that they have to only grow their organization and they are planning for 2032. So
this certainly doesn't look like a plan for
no, it is not a plan for
2027.
2027.
Okay.
For 2027, we will increase our figures maybe, we will
Yeah.
increase our vote percentage, and in 2032 we will come to power. In any case, it's not possible to defeat the BJP. This could be one way, or it is public posturing.
We are being blamed right now for opposing an alliance. But 7 or 8 months back, you might have heard that one observer of Congress, Shrimati Nimwalkar, she had come to Goa and she had categorically rejected the alliance. ताज्या पयलीं बाणाले तांचो एक बाणालेचो पळय ग्रूप आहा तांचो आय मीन लोकल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ग्रूप ऑफ द काँग्रेस दे केम आउट लायक एज इफ इट वॉज अ डिफरंट पार्टी ऑल टुगेदर दे केम आउट विथ अ प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स सेइंग दॅट वी डोंट वॉन्ट एन अलायन्स. Alliance is not something is a one-way side, it's a two-way thing. But right now, our party feels we are capable of going ahead as a single force because we've seen that the people always needed a alternative to the Congress. It was like a one-eyed jack, king in the territory. But now people have seen that there are others. And that choice has to be given to the people because people are fed up of defections. People are fed up of voting for the Congress and finding a BJP government in place.
There were the Delhi Assembly elections. And if I am not wrong, it was Mr. Arvind Kejriwal himself who went to press after one of their executive meetings and said, in Delhi, this alliance was for parliament. In Delhi Assembly elections, we are strong enough to go alone. This is in the public domain. I am quoting on facts. I am not quoting on the basis of our presumptions. In Delhi, with no alliance, the results were there for everybody to see, including the AAP themselves. So now, after not being able to digest the result of the people in the Delhi election, the AAP leaders are coming to Goa and repeatedly engaged into a dialogue and into a narrative that we do not want alliance. And forget that, they are not even castigating the BJP for all the wrong deeds that are available in the public domain and are there for everybody to see.
तुमचेरच फार्मार्थ म्हणटा तुम्ही.
And they are targeting the Congress for everything and anything.
बरें.
As if the Delhi victory of the BJP, the Congress lies squarely on the shoulder.
दिल्लीचो राग गोंया काडटा म्हणटा तुम्ही.
अशें म्हाका दिसता लोकांची अपेक्षा आसा की तुमी सगळे आताक धरून एकामेकाक घट रावन एक लोकां मुखार
तू ते म्हणटा आनी तुमचोय डेस्क इन्चार्ज नाका म्हणटा म्हण अलायन्स.
that is when they come with these narratives again and again.